So we'll continue with the smart camera, and this time we have a smart wireless free, means no wires at all, Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz. Battery wise is rechargeable, can take by 4 to 6 months, depends the activity. And infrared and also color vision at night. Why? Because it comes with the light as well too. And the interesting thing too, even comes an alarm, a sirens, if you want to activate that as well too. Let me show you how to configure this right now. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab, and we got this great camera today, 1080 2.4 gigahertz, no wires at all, and very important, an outdoor camera. No matter what, there's a wind, there's snow, whatever happened, that's okay. You can leave it outside. The only thing you have to remember, maybe a few months, charge your camera, and that's it. And by the way, that's it. Also, it has night vision with color. Let me show you how the whole thing works right now. All right, we have it. A smart wire-free security camera. Remember, it's a 1080. Right, we have the remote view, color vision, right, motion detector, and allow you to multi-use sharing, and as well activation zone. We can activate one part of the camera to be the one that detects when somebody passed by. All right, and warranty card, and the first thing you need to do is download the app, and it's pretty simple here. Should be on the next page. Go scan this. iOS devices, Android. Right over here, I show you what we have this for. This is to mount the camera, the micro USB, and type A, and even you have the screws to mount it. Now this is the camera. Remember, this camera is an outdoor camera. The way you mount this, you're gonna put this up. You can either use the 3M sticker or you can use the screw. Now check this out. Look, the magnet. I'm gonna go back again. It's a powerful magnet, so when you put it there, select the view of the camera, and you're done. Now, how we charge a camera? Open right over here, turn it on, and charge the camera. Now, I want to reset the camera or install a 128 micro SD card. Simple. Press the two sides here, move it out. I love this. Push this up like this, and you have it. Right over here, we have the reset switch and the macro SD card. I would recommend 128 gigabytes. So you have the local recording. You're done there. You put it like this, and you're done. Camera, night vision. That means the LED light, right? Sensors, and the motion sensor. You need to remove there when you start using it. So let's go to the configuration now. All right. So how we pair the camera? So after you install the application, you can add a new camera. You can press right here. So add a new camera. Right, you click next, and we here. Then you need to select your Wi-Fi. So we have here the Wi-Fi, mine, and I already put the password. So that's selected. Go next. Okay, we confirm that, and make sure you hit those beep. How you gonna do that? You have to make sure you reset it from here. So it's ready. This is here. I hear the bing bing. I'm gonna go and put the camera about maybe six inches, something that way. Okay, that's it. We got the code. Gonna wait a little more.
Wi-Fi connected.
That's it. Connected. That's simple. Let's get the camera there. Now, just select wherever you want to put, living room, office, outdoor, right? Let's go from door. Let's click done, and that's it. Right there, we have it. We're gonna click play. It's gonna show me the time now. The first thing the camera will see when it come up. I can see the battery level. Sure, it needs to charge right now. So let's wait to get the first connection, and we are in. So now you can see right there. Let's go and it goes to a full. And you can see that perfect screen. You guys can see right over there, right? From here, sure, we can turn on the speaker. We can record into the phone or either take a picture. We see the slide there. Give me the real time. We can activate the alarm. We can activate the light from here. It's a powerful light. We see right there, right? We can activate the light. Just turn that off. Sound as well too. So the sound from there. I can talk to the camera. Let's see if I press here. Okay, hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
Okay, there's a little vehicle there. And I can activate the alarm as well too. Let's turn that off. Let me activate the alarm. Oops. Super loud as you hear that. It's pretty loud. And then you have all the pictures that are being taken. They show you there. And more information, share the camera. And then battery level, the alarms here, it's going to show me all the alarms. Let's cancel that and let's go to the configuration for your Wi-Fi connection. From door, motion detector, I can change it here, high, low, duration 10 seconds, resolution, the way you're going to record and turn the light or turn the flashlight or the alarm. So you got either the alarm or the light when somebody passed by. So it's an alert, right? Notification settings, right? We can activate that if it's a person, a pet, or a car. We can activate or deactivate things. Push notifications. You see the notification was just coming through there, right? Activation zone, right? Night vision, infrared mode, or we can activate the light mode. See, right now I'm getting pictures because it's detecting what I'm doing right now. Notification, night vision. You can format the car, and in advanced settings, see, we can turn this off if you want, right? Battery level 51%. My Wi-Fi, and it's strong. Where you are connected, here says New York, and it gives me a bunch of the information. You can update the Wi-Fi and much more. If you see, in reality, this is simple camera to install. This in outdoor. It doesn't take much. Only takes a few minutes. Not much configuration. Set the way you need it, and you're done, right? That's it. So if you see, the camera is simple to use, right? So you have 1080, night vision, infrared, or if you want to go color, right, you can activate the light. As long as there's a little bit of light, that you can activate the second light from the camera, and everything looks real nice in colors, right? And it's outdoor camera. Just remember, every few months you need to charge it, and that's it. That's the only thing you need to do. So like always, I'll leave you the link right below this video.